Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to any of you who might be new. So today we will be drawing some facial expressions. I've really been wanting to learn different nuances and what happens to your face when you pull different expressions. Just filling up a sketchbook spread with that, and in the meantime I have started bullet journaling. I've really been inspired by Japanese style bullet journaling, where you're just writing down, the day's tasks and organizing your week and so on, but also just decorating and putting in little quotes or scriptures to inspire and keep you motivated. I find it's such a great way to keep your head clear and just take a little bit of time to consider what you're going to be spending your time on. And that is a huge step for me because it doesn't come naturally to me to really plan things. I'm actually quite a spontaneous, living in the moment type of person. So I've really pushed myself to become more and more of a list person, to plan a bit better, just to give a little bit of thought to what is coming. And it's actually helped me a lot. It's helped reduce a bit of stress and, just that general feeling that things are out of control. It just brings so much calm into my day. So that's what I've started doing, and I'm still doing it now. So what I really did here for my sketchbook spread is simply, as usual, going onto Pinterest and finding faces that I thought were interesting, expressions that I want to learn to capture. And sometimes an expression can be quite subtle, it can be thoughtful, it can be serious, but in a very subtle way, and I think that's also very important to capture. I'm also still getting used to using my markers. These are alcohol markers from Arrtx, and it is a very specific style of drawing to use markers. So this is me just basically exploring, in a sense, two things at once: learning faces and this art material. There's some absolutely delightful marker artists out there that I really admire. I haven't really made a study of it. I would love to actually just sit down and copy what they do, just to try and learn how they layer in the colors and how they making use of lighting and putting down those transparent layers, because that's the one thing about markers is most of them are quite transparent, vibrant but transparent. So it's almost like working with inks. You can't erase or hide any mistakes. So there's a degree of confidence that you have to work with, just to put down your marks and keep moving forwards. I think, the more a person draws, the more you develop your style, just without even really trying or being too pedantic about it. So I'm happy to just let the process unfold and see where it goes. I'm very happy that I tackled this challenge. I really wanted to learn some facial expressions. So we have different emotions portrayed, unhappy, distressed, and I really like the exploration of two emotions combined in one, which is kind of like a cheeky but disapproving in a playful way, which I think is interesting in its own right and quite a challenge. My favorite, I think, would be this girl. I kind of like the style, the rendering of this one. My plan with this was to create a consistent look across the whole page, but I don't think consistency is my forte. I'm always drifting from one exploration to the next, and even in my style there's always some variation going on. I think for my next video, I'll probably be doing something like some fan art. I'm really inspired by a animated series we watched recently, which was called Scavenger's Reign. So it's a choice between fan art for Scavenger's Reign or something from Lord of the Rings. I've been listening to the Lord of the Rings audiobook for the first time. I actually never read Lord of the Rings as a child, so I'm catching up on that now. And we're in Lost Lorien right now, and the trees of Lorien are so beautiful. They are described so beautifully that I need to paint it or something. I don't know what. Let me know which idea you like more, and I love to hear from you guys. I love to talk, so if you have anything to share, I'll be there in the comments with you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.